Hey, Lisa here with The Colored Umbrella. Have you ever tried putting a decal on a curvy tumbler? Sometimes it's not the easiest thing if it's a little bit bigger and will be on some of the curves. So let me show you an easy way to get it on there. When you get your decal on there, put the middle down first before the sides. Make sure that is on there really secure and start with one end. And I hold down the middle and I start at the bottom and I work my way up. So start from the middle and push out. Now, if you have a spot where it kind of crinkles a little bit like I had right here, that's okay. Just lift it up and press it down again. And by doing this, it's just pure magic and it goes on really smooth, even if it's kind of on a weird, funky curve spot. We're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing where we start at the bottom and work our way from the middle to the outside. And as you can see, by doing that, I don't have any wrinkles or anything, lays flat and looks great. If you have any questions on this, just let me know. I hope you have the best day ever and happy tumbler making. Bye.